Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we break down the latest news and trends in the world of cryptocurrency. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a story that's got everyone talking. BlackRock, one of the world's largest asset management firms, has just announced that it's taken a massive bet on Bitcoin. According to market intelligence firm Arkham, BlackRock has purchased a whopping $2.5 billion worth of BTC in the past week alone. That's a staggering amount of money, and it's got many investors wondering what this move means for the future of cryptocurrency. At first glance, it might seem like BlackRock is just investing in Bitcoin as a safe haven asset or a hedge against inflation. But according to BlackRock CEO Larry Fink, this move is part of a much larger strategy. In his annual letter to investors, Fink suggests that Bitcoin could potentially become the world's reserve currency, replacing the US dollar. Now, some might say that's a bit far-fetched, but hear us out. Fink points out that the US national debt has grown at 3 times the pace of GDP since 1989, and interest payments are now set to surpass defense spending this year alone. By 2030, mandatory government spending and debt service could consume all federal revenue, creating a permanent deficit. That's when things get interesting. Fink argues that if the US doesn't get its debt under control, it risks losing its position as the global reserve currency to digital assets like Bitcoin, and that's where BlackRock comes in. By investing in Bitcoin, they're essentially betting on the potential for cryptocurrency to become a new standard. But what does this mean for the price of Bitcoin? As we speak, the flagship crypto asset is trading at an eye-watering $97,238. And according to Arkham, Riot Platforms, another publicly traded Bitcoin mining firm, has just sold hundreds of BTC in April alone. Now, some might be thinking that this news is a bit mixed. On one hand, it's great to see institutional investors taking a serious look at cryptocurrency. But on the other hand, when you've got large players like Riot selling off their holdings, it can create a bit of uncertainty in the market. So what's next for Bitcoin? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure. This move by BlackRock has sent shockwaves through the crypto community, and we'll be keeping a close eye on developments to bring you all the latest news and analysis. That's it for today's bulletin. Thanks for joining us on Bitcoin Bulletin.